Hello. Here's an example for problem number 7. Again, this one was tricky because of the language and how they worded it. Let's go to this last sentence. It says the data are given below. A logger working on the road claims. The mean, so this is the claim, claims that the mean skidding distance is at least 450 meters. Well, at least means 415 or more, right? So the claim is mean is greater than or equal to 415. Y'all see that? So the claim is greater than or equal to 415. That means the alternative is less than 415. This one's just backwards because the null is the claim, and also the way they have the language here. Basically what I did, I just copied my data. If you forgot how to do that, just go here, click on the bottom one here, copy it and paste it in here. And I've already kind of done the work, but you just go to review, you go to stat, basic, one sample stat. Make sure you put your cursor here to bring over that data. Check the box, click on here, type in 410. That's the value, and it's a less than because the alternative is less than. Okay? Alright. So now we've done that. Now I need to find the critical value, which is your far enough value. Remember that? And I think there were, let me see, I forgot already. Go back. There were 20 values in this sample. So in order to find that t value, is your degrees of freedom is going to be n minus 1, which is 19. So let's look at that value. And it's going to be a left tail and alpha 0.1. This would be great practice here. I thought I had it somewhere. Oh, here's my graph. I'll do it again. I'm going to go graph, probability distribution plot, view probability here, t-test 19 because it's 20 minus 1, shaded area. This one's going to be a left tail probability. 0.1 is the alpha. Click OK. Alright, there is your cutoff value. That's your rejection region in the red. Okay, let's just check it out. Computer's moving a little slow. Okay, this is the cutoff score, or the far enough value, which is negative 1.328. Okay, if this t value is in the red, then we reject, in this case, the null, which happens to be the claim. Again, this is backwards. I'll say it again. If this t-test is in the rejection region, we reject the null, which happens to be the claim. Same thing. In this case, this one's backwards. Alright, so with that said, you're going to reject the claim because it's in there. But notice it says you have sufficient evidence. Well, you have sufficient evidence to say that the mean is less than 415. That's not the claim. Honestly, I would argue with this, but I'm not. At least how they worded it. But basically, this is the logic behind how they've solved this problem. Because you're rejecting the claim, and you have sufficient evidence to support the other statement. And this is the other statement that happens not to be the other value, the null, which is at least 415. And that's it for that one. Again, if you have any questions, let me know.